Hi, Rupa. Welcome to our second day of the first quarter review. Today's date is October 8, 2024. Welcome to our asynchronous class. Let's move on to the next part, and that is to check for our calendar. So let me move this one first. Let me fix the screen. So our date for today, it is October 8, 2024. And how about for our calendar, where is October 8? October 8 is this one. So yesterday, it was October 7. We're done with that one. Now, it's time for our date today, October 8. And it is a Tuesday for today. Let me erase the writings on the screen because we'll move on to the next part. And that is to count our numbers from 1 to 30. So I want you to practice counting with me, and I want you to count there in your seat. So how about we start with the first number? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So those are the numbers. We have 1 to 30. Now, if we're done already with this, let's move on to the next part. We'll have a review of our words. Let's start with the first set, and that is going to be our ag words. Now, can you check our screen? Our screen has a problem because the pictures are there. We have our ag words, but what happened? The letters are scrambled. We need to fix our letters, spell out the right ones. So here we have our sag. The flower is going down. It will sag. What are the letters in the word sag? The letter sounds should have sag. Sag. What are the letters? So we have to put S first. S, A, and the letter G to make the word sag. I saw the flower sag. Maybe the flower is losing water in its body. So you have to water it, or maybe it's going to die soon. So that one is sagging, going down, sag. Another one, you have this one to carry your things. It's called a bag. B-A. What are the letters? B sound. That's letter B first. B. Help me spell out the A sound in the middle. That's G or A. It's A. B, A, G, G. At the end, letter G to make the word bag. So here, the flower will sag and the bag is on the table. So I'm just making sentences for each picture. So we have sag and bag. Okay, another one, tag. The first one is tag. When you check up the price of an item that you need to buy in the mall, you check the tag. T-A-G. T-A-G. So we have E, A, and the letter G, that is tag. I will check the tag. T-A-G. Tag. Another one, when the mouth is covered like this man, there is a gag. G-A-G. Ag. Where's gag? G. G. A. G. Gag. We have gag. G-A-G. Gag. So we have tag and we have gag. Okay, another set. When the dog is happy, it will wag its tail. Ag. Ag. So we have W first. Sound. W. A sound in the middle. A. And the letter G to make the word wag. The dog will wag its tail. Another one. A witch is also called a hag. Oh, we have our hag. H-A-G. Hag. So what's the first letter? Sound. We have H. A sound. Letter A. and the G sound, letter G, to make the word hag. Again, we have wag and hag. Another one, we also have another set of our ag words. Let's do rag. I want to clean with a rag. R sound, letter R. R, A, G, rag. I have a rag. I will clean with a rag. Okay, next, a sick horse is called a nag. Nag. N-A and the letter G, nag. An old and sick horse. Nag. 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 So we have rag and we have nag. Okay, next. The next set is for our stag. A, a deer that is a boy deer is called a stag. Together, S-N-T, S, and the letter T that is sound. Stag, ag, stag, S-T-A-G, stag, stag. Okay, another one. I have the flag. Full together, that's F and L. So let's fix F and L. Flag. Flag. Let's put A in the middle. Flag. F-L-A-G, flag. So again, we have stag, flag. The stag has the horns, or sorry, it's called antlers instead. That's antlers. So the horns that grow on their heads, you call them antlers on a reindeer, on a stag, on a deer. And then flag. You can raise your flag. Okay, another set, your am words, A and M, am sound. So how about we do dam? There is a dam. The water rushes in the dam. Dam. D-A-M, dam. This is the dam. The water rushes in the dam. D-A-M. Next one, we have our cam. Remember the short word for camera is cam. K-A-M. K-A-M. Cam. I have a cam. So you have dam, cam. Another one. We have another set of words. This time, a kind of food is the ham. What's the letter? H, A, and M. So H first, A and M, that's ham. Okay, next, we have the shell in the ocean. It's the clam. C and L has the cl sound together. So we have CL, cl, clam. Oops, sorry, let me fix that. I spun the letter M. Clam, CL, cl. Clam. So again, we have ham, clam. Next set. A boy sheep is called a ram. So this instead of H, that is R. Ram. Letter R first. R-A-M. That's the ram. Ram. Okay, next. Another one. The sweet jam you put on bread to make it yummy, to make a jam sandwich. J-A-M. J-A-M. Jam. J-A-M, jam. R-A-M, ram. Okay, next, another set. Now, we have a lot here on the screen, but the first one, it's a name of a boy. He is Sam. S-A-M. Sam. S-A-M. Sam. It can also be a girl name. It's a name of a person. S-A-M. Sam. And we have capital S because it's a name of a person. Sam. Next, you don't want to slam the door. SL together has the sl sound. Slam. So let's fix S-L-A-M. That is how you spell for the word slam. So if you got it right, good job. slam. And then the last one, a kind of vegetable, it's a yam. 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 Y-A-M. Yam. Yam. So you have Sam, Slam, and Yam. Now we're done already with reviewing our ag words and am words. Let's do the work. Before we do that, I want you to remind you that you have to write your name at the top, your full name, Rupa. Now, for this one, it says here to color the words that end with ag. And we get to find your word. Now, yesterday, I had to color the ag words, but I wasn't able to find the instruction. I'm so sorry for that. It says there to find and circle and say the ag words. So we will use our marker to circle for our ag words. So here we have A and G ag. Let's do this one first. Circle all your ag words, A and G. Remember, our words has A and G in them. Your ag words, A and G, ag. A and G, ag. Okay, so we have all our ag words circled already. Now it's time for us to color for our ag words. We can color for the bag. Let's color for the bag. We can also color for the rag. Another one, we can also color for tag. Sometimes the tag is also found in your shirt, at the back of your shirt, to tell you what size it is. Is it big? Is it small? Is it middle size? Another ag word, it's to play tag. Another kind of tag is for you to play and tag a person. You run around, you look for a friend, you tag them. That's the game tag. Another one, you see the dog with its tail, it will wag. Can we color for sled? No, it's a different word. Can we color for brand? No, also. Can we color for flag? Yes, let's color for flag. Can we color for hag? Yes, let's color for hag. Okay, again, this time, just like yesterday's work, you get to choose two words and write them in the space. I will choose the word rag and also wag. So let's write for rag. Rag, let's start with letter R. R is an alligator letter. So you write it under the line. Line down, make a rainbow. R, A, and the letter G. That is rag. Rag. Okay, next one, we have our wag. W, A, and the letter G. You have the wag. Wag. So you have rag and wag. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. I'll be moving on to the next page, please, because we need to do this one. Our next work is to read. You sound out the letters, you read, and then you match. By touching it, you get to also remember the sound. So, before that, you get to write your name first at the top, your full name. And let's start. If you're not yet done with your name, you pause the video, play it again once you're done. So, we have bag, B-A-G, bag. Make a line. Where is bag? You match. This is bag. Okay, another one. N-A-G, N-A-G. When you nag, maybe somebody is angry or you're making fun of somebody. So where is nag? Make a line for a person making a silly face. This one is nag. So that's another kind of nag word. In our review, we have the nag that is an old and sick horse. This time, there is a nag word. This time, it's making fun of somebody. Nag. Okay, next, we have a. It is the hag. The witch is a hag. Make a line. This is hag. Okay, another one. A, g, rag. Where is rag? I get to use the rag to clean the table. Rag. T, a, g. Where's tag? I get to play tag with my friends. So the one that runs around there, it's another tag word. They play tag. Last one, wag. Wag. The dog wags its tail. This is wag. Okay, so we found all our ag words. We matched them with their picture. Now it's time for us to do the sounding. You sound out and you circle the letter for your word. The first one is tag. T, A, G, T, A. And letter G, that's tag. Another one, we have rag. R, A, G, rag. Next one, bag. B, A, G, bag. Next, you have the nag. N, A, G, nag. What about wag? W, A, G. And the last one, hag. A, G, hag. So those are the words that we have for our ag worksheet. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. I'll erase, and I'll get to move to the next part. Okay, for our next page, we get to read our words and we get to also circle the right one and write the sentence. But first, let me remind you, you have to write your name first. If you're not yet done writing there, please pause the video, play it again once you're done. I'm going to review our words. So you better practice reading with me, okay? We tag. We have wag, wag, wag. Nab, the rat. Bag, the rag. Can we nab the rag bag? Let's go back again. We tag. Wag, wag, wag. Nab the rag. Bag the rag. Can we nab the rag bag? So we have our ag words in our story there. Now for the respond, we're going to circle the right word. Where is hag? H-A-G. This one is hag. Okay, what about nag? You're making fun of somebody. Nag, N-A-G. This one is nag. Tag, T-A-G. This one is tag. Wag, where is your wag? W-A-G. This one is wag. Now, let's jump to the sentence. We can nab and tag. Let's read it again. We can nab and tag. Now, for this work, you need to write the sentence. Write the sentence. You follow that one. Write it in the space. So, let's practice writing. The first word in your sentence is we. We as W, capital W, go down, and up like a wave. E under the broken line. That's we. And then can. C, A, N, can. Try not to go out of the line as much as possible to make it neat and nice. Give space, nab, N-A-B. When you say nab, it's also grabbing. You get it, nab. Then the word N, A, N, and the letter D, that's N. And the word tag, T, A, and the letter G, tag. And you end your sentence with a period there. And it says there, our sentence again, we can nab and tag. Now that we're done with this word, we can move to the next page. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video, play it again once you're done. Now let's jump to our words. This time, write your name first. Sorry, let me fix that. Write your name first. And I want you to color the words that end with the pictures there, and we get to circle also our words. The ones with A and M, that's part of the instruction. So let's circle for just like this one, A and M. Let's circle them first, A and M, because we have our words to answer for. Remember, A and M Okay, now that we're done finding all our words, let's color for our pictures. Can we color for bat? No. What about map? No also. But what about ham? Yes, ham is a kind of food. Ham is an word. What about the tap? The tap that you turn on so that there's water coming out? No. What about the man? No also. That has an sound. How about yam? Yes, we can color yam. How about tan? No. How about ram? Yes. Let's color the ram. What about the dam? Yes, you can store a big amount of water in the dam. What about rat? No. What about gran? No. But let's jump to this one in A. There's one more, jam. Yes, let's color this one. Okay. Done already coloring for our pictures. We have the jam, the ham, the yam, the ram, and the dam. But how about let's choose some words that we can write. Two words that you found and we write for them. So I'll be choosing yam and also the dam. Let's start with yam. Yam. It has letter Y like a cat tail letter. It goes down. So slide down and slide down again. There's the cat tail. A, around, up and down. Y, lying down, and two mountains. That's your yam. Next, let's go to dam. Capital or lowercase? It's lowercase. It's not the name of a person. Lying down. Donut to the side. A, go around, up and down. And your M, lying down, two mountains. 1 and 2. So we have yam, and this is also dam. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done, but I'll be moving to the next page, and that is to match our words to its picture. I'm reminding you to write your name at the top, please. That's part of our routine in class. Now, let's jump to the work. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. Let's start with the name Sam's. This is Sam. Let's make a line. Sam. Where is Sam? This one is Sam at the bottom. Next, yam. I want to eat yam. This one is yam. Another one, a ram is a boy sheep. This is ram. Ham, where is the ham? This one is ham. Next, jam, I want to eat jam in the bread. And next one, dam, dam. I put water, a big amount of water in a dam. Now, how about we do the sound it out word? So we have Sam's, So let's circle. I see Sam. He is my friend. Another one, yam, ah, yam. I have the yam. Next one, your ram. This is ram. Next, jam. Ah, jam. Another one, the dam. Ah, dam. And ham. Ah, that is ham. Now, if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Are you done? I'll have to move to the next page. Let me erase that one. And this will also be the last page of our work. Let me remind you, please write your name, and I want you to do this one. So let's read for our work. I am. So it says in our sentence, I am ma'am. I am a yam. I am a ram. I am a ham. Let's go back. I am ma'am. I am a yam. I am a ram. I am a ham. Now, for the next part, you'll need to circle for our am words. So here, I thought this word or this picture was gran. So this one, instead of gran, it is a ma'am. We say ma'am to the stranger that is a woman. You don't know her, so you have to tell ma'am. Where's ma'am? Capital M, there's A, another A and M, ma'am. Is this ma'am? Yes, let's circle it. What about jam? You can put jam in your bread, J-A-M. Let's circle this one. Okay, ram, R-A-M. This one is ram. And the last one, ham, H-A-M, ham. This one is ham. Okay, how about for our sentence? Let's read this one. I have jam. Let's go back. I have jam. So the ram has jam with him. He's eating it. Maybe he is hungry. Now, for this sentence, let's write. I have jam. Capital I. Line down. Add a roof and a floor. I. The word have. H. A. B. E. That's have. Have. And the word jam. J-A-M. J. A, and the letter M, that is jam, and your sentence with a period. I have jam. So this one, he has jam. Now let's erase, since we're done with this work, the last page of your work. If you're not yet done, pause the video. But if you're done with this one, good job for you. Now, I'll jump to this one. You did a good job finishing your work today. Good job for you. And I'll give you your sticker, friend Rufa, this one. So, the Sanrio friends are having a picnic. And I'll see you again in our next class. Bye-bye.